Hello kids! Let's draw Peppa Pig family drawing. I am drawing Peppa Pig first. She is very happy with her family. Next, draw George Pig. He is also very happy with Peppa Pig. I am drawing Daddy Pig next. Daddy Pig is enjoying his time with his family. Let's draw Mommy Pig. She is also very happy with her family. Let's draw cute Peppa Pig's house. And cute sun too. Let's draw some grass. Let's make Peppa Pig family more colorful. Let's color pink color for all of their faces. Let's color orange color for Mommy Pig dress. Orange is Mommy Pig's favorite color. Purple color for all of their cheeks. Blue-green color for Daddy Pig dress. And favorite red color for Peppa Pig dress. Last, blue color for George Pig dress. Let's color house with brown color, green color for windows, yellow color, sky blue color, yellow color for sun. Let's color background with green color. Sky blue color. Take single piece of paper and rub on the crayons. This will give smooth background. Ta-da!
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye bye.